Hello all, welcome to part 2 of Kubernetes Made Easy tutorial. In this session, I am going to explain one of the features of Kubernetes, that is automatic bin packing. So let's get started. As part of automatic bin packing, Kubernetes allocates the resources of the server, that is CPU and memory resources of the server, to the required containers. As you can see in this image, the blue areas are nothing but the available server resources that can be allocated to the containers when required. Whereas the orange color things are nothing but the server resources which are already allocated to the containers by Kubernetes. During this process of automatic bin packing, Kubernetes automatically deploys the applications on containers by making sure the application is still live and running. And also, it will make sure it has effectively allocated the server resources to the containers without unnecessarily wasting any server resources. So, in the next session, I will explain one more feature of Kubernetes. Till then, bye.